Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. As you can already read from the title, in today's video I'm going to share some last minute date night outfit ideas which you can wear on a Valentine's Day, or either ways you can wear it. There are no rules as such. So yeah, let's begin. And yeah, quick apologies for not being active for a week, guys, because I have planned a big surprise for all of you, which I will reveal in my next video. So stay tuned, and now let's begin with the video. So for the first outfit, I have chosen this beautiful floral yellow midi dress which you can wear in a daytime. It is very daytime appropriate, and I paired it up with kitten heels, golden kitten heels, and to amp up the look further, I have added floral earrings in the ears, and of course metallic bangles. And to amp up the look a little bit more, I just have done little bit of a hairstyle which is looking very cute, and it has a tie pattern at the back, as you can see, which is looking absolutely stunning. And please don't ask me why two clips are looking different, because the vertical one was shot from my mobile and the horizontal one is from DSLR, so that's why these both clips are looking very different. So please bear with that. And yeah, for the second outfit, I have chosen this black skinny palazzo pant which has slit at the bottom, and I paired it up with one shoulder white crop top and strappy heels. And yeah, I have added big chunky hoop earrings in the ears, and in the hands I have added a pearl bracelet. And yeah, I kept the neck clean because I wanted this neckline to be the attraction. Yeah, whenever you are in confusion, just go for these kind of combinations. I mean, black and white, or blue and black, and red and black. Yeah, these are very safe combination to go for. I mean, whenever I wear these combination, I always look good. So yeah, this is something which you can wear at night and glam on. For the third outfit, I have chosen this beautiful floral dress. I mean, this is different from the first one, of course. This is a high-low dress, and it looks very hot and very classy. And I paired it up with this pink strappy sandals. This one is from Zara, by the way. And I, added layered chain in the neckline, in the neck, of course, and in the hands I have added that same metallic bangles, and I just added a watch and a little bit of hairstyle and floral earrings in the ears, and you can see how stunning it looks. For the fourth outfit, I have chosen this denim skirt, and I paired it up with white t-shirt, crop t-shirt, and yeah, I wanted to keep this whole look, monochromatic. So I added white socks, which are looking cutest, and we have a guest appearance here. I mean, he's a showstopper, of course. And yeah, as you can see, say hello to my Goofy. So yeah, back to the outfit. I just kept the whole outfit, a little bit on a monochromatic side. So I added a white watch and white hoop earrings in the ears, and I added a same layered necklace in the neck, and I, just to break the, whole monochromatic look a little bit, I have added a black belt to, complement the look. And yeah, I'm pairing it up with sneakers, and yeah, as you can see, it looks absolutely cute. And yeah, this is for all the college going and school going girls out there. I mean, they can rock this look. I mean, anyone can rock this look, and I personally love this kind of cute outfits. for the fifth outfit, I have chosen this cute little dress. It has a polka, not polka, इसको polka बोलेंगे कि नहीं? I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, it has this dot print going on, and yeah, it looks absolutely cute. I mean, this is giving me very, vacation kind of a vibe. And yeah, so back to the outfit. This outfit is very favorite of mine personally, and I paired it up with beautiful matching earrings and same bangles. I'm obsessed with this bangle set, so please bear with me. And yeah, I just added a strappy heels in the legs, and yeah, you can see the whole outfit. It is looking very put together and very classy. So I'm creating a lookbook और इसमें denim ना हो. This is not going to happen anytime soon. So for the sixth outfit, sixth it is if I'm not wrong. Yeah, for the sixth outfit, I have chosen this high-waisted blue denim, and I paired it up with bodysuit and wedges in the legs. And yeah, as you can see, and I am wearing small hoop earrings in the ear, and my dark navy blue watch here to complement the look. And yeah, as you can see, it is very classy and very decent kind of a outfit. You can pair it up with any kind of bodysuit if you are not into net bodysuits. And to bring all the look together, I have added a black belt, of course, in the waistline, so it is complementing the look very beautifully. So this is the outfit number 7. I chose this beautiful corduroy. Yeah, it is a corduroy fabric. So I have chosen this corduroy dungaree dress, and I paired it up with off-shoulder red crop top and same earrings in the ears, and I have just added wedges in the legs. And yeah, you can see this whole look is looking very cute and very beautiful. And of course, red and black, you can never go wrong with that. This is the last outfit from the bunch, and of course it has to be very practical and very wearable. So here I am wearing light washed mom jean, and I have paired it up with white crop top, and I have added a same watch, same belt and earrings, and I am wearing wedges in the legs, just to be little comfortable. And you can switch it up with high heels and boots, of course, and it is going to look fabulous, of course. And yeah, so let me know which was your favorite outfit, and please, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. And I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye.